Here is a wonderful 2021 Hyundai Sonata. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This well-built, stylish Sonata delivers the best in family sedan comfort. With a spacious, quiet cabin, ample cargo space, a suite of advanced safety features, and connected infotainment on board, you'll look forward to every drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: 4-cylinder engine, lane keeping assist, keyless start, premium sound system, backup camera, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, 8-speed AT, stability control, traction control. Don't settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary. Get into this smooth, spacious, well-equipped Sonata. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.